Hey guys, how's it going? Today I am back with another super easy install courtesy of 4Runner Lifestyle. We have got some mirror caps to go on here to improve the look of the 4Runner, which I think makes it look way better. I have got some carbon fiber matte colored mirror caps. All you're going to need is some rubbing alcohol here to clear off the surface, just so they stick on there nice and good. And yeah, so let's get to it. First thing you want to do is clean off the mirror really well with some rubbing alcohol. This will ensure that the mirror cap stays on the best it can. Once cleaned, you can go ahead and peel the plastic off the mirror cap tape and get ready to install it. What I found easiest was starting on the outside corner, pulling it down to the bottom, and then reach from behind and pull it back onto the mirror, and it'll all snap together. Once you're done one side, just repeat the same steps on the other. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Like I said, it's a super easy install to do. Make sure you have that surface nice and clean so no dirt and grime interfere with the tape. But what I found easiest to do was to start in this corner here, work your way down, pull it into there, and then go from behind, pull it back, and it'll all snap into place. You'll hear it click. But yeah, that is all you got to do, and now you got a nice look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.